Best. Okay. So, kwenzakalani la? Which one is this one? This one yan le yan.
Okay, enye it was the best story.
Ngiyabona ahlukahlukene ngathi abhalwe ngokuhluka.
Yeah. Since it's I'm Able magazine, choose a magazine law. I was the face cover of the magazine after launchiwe. So ngatela the best story covers cause
Okay.
then appreciation, they had to appreciate me. Eyanga sekhaya, yi superstar ngasekhaya so babe ngena choice. Then FB votes, Facebook kangu number 1. And the last one first best cover. Shuthi kuma cover magazine.
Okay.
Nabona nibuso bami ukuthi so yes.
Okay. Siyabona, there's also this beautiful diary eyase University of KwaZulu Natal. Kwenzakalani? Wayithola kanjani ngoba nami ngiyayidinga. Abanjani abayitholayo?
So I have this paid partnership with the UKZN where we know ukuthi uThobeka une modeling school. So since I'm a professional model and I know people akade kwasebe ku industry and I've been in industry for so many years.
Okay.
So now whenever be hosta miss mengimodela ngihlengiza bo President George George lapha. So bengibizwe ke kuloko ke ngalendelela ukuthi banginika this gift. And angifuna ukuyivula le gift le bakithi. Angifuna ukuyivula emakhaya. Always men bangaphuza ngekomishi yami. Le komishi la ayiphuza umuntu. So ngathola this gift and this diary nama goodies. So
so
yes.
This is the cup.
This is the cup.
Oh,
This is the cup.
Okay.
Yeah, so ayivulwa ke le.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okuhlele kabanzi about your journalist career. Your career as a journalist.
My career as a journalist kuyinto engalindelekile because mina I did journalism. As much as I did journalism, but I've been interested with radio since it was linked to radio, not with acting. So more for the journalism, me look at it between radio and acting. Ukuthi ukupho zokuthatha as much as ufundele journalism.
Okay.
So mina choose mina radio because like I have the voice for radio.
All right.
I know. So yes. Then there was this day I wrote an article since I was exposed to how to write and all those things. Then I wrote this article about Ubabu Mandela. We visited i-statue sakhe la enziwe khona nge-3D. Ubaziwe nje yabo. So ngabhala i-article ngaye. Then I got approached by Umkhonto Wesizwe.
Okay.
Umkhonto Wesizwe i-founder yakhona kubaba uJacob Zuma.
Yes.
To be one of our writers Umkhonto Wesizwe.
Wow.
So career yami as a journalist ngisuza abantu abaningi kakhulu bengicija le oXimba. Akekho umuntu engitathela ongamazi uXimba. So mina ngicijwe yena kulinda Ximba shema ngicija le obhuti Sithe from Isolezo Ximba working for Ilanga. Lot of colleagues abangisizile kwi journey yami and njengoba manje sengila engikhona nje. It's been a great journey when it comes to journalism.
Okay.
I'm
So imaphi ama challenges ohlangabezana nawe umuyi journalist?
The challenge is ukuthi ubhale ngomuntu bafethu ngeke ngabhala ngomunye one of our celebrities and that stories are published as aphuma one of the biggest 2 newspapers la eThekwini. Okay, la eMzansi. So ubhuti loyana ke ayibo ubhuti seyangifonela ubhuti seyangisabisa ngithi I'm just doing my job. If when you're trending I'm writing about you, I'm just doing my job. So hey now. So ukuba journalist you need to know ama facts akho ukuthi acorrect ngoba waqamba mangomuntu uzokucinga kuthola. So ama changes ukuthi you need to make sure ukuthi information onayo iyiqiniso ngayo yonke indlela and you need to ama facts akho wa state ngempela because
lapho ke bengisathi ngiyeza lapho.
Yeah.
Sihlezi sizwa ngama journalists labo banamanga baqamba amanga uyabona babhalela indaba engeke
angikwazi lokho angeke ngisho sikukhona noma akukho angikwazi, but mina I will never write into engekho because I've been in situation where ngibhala ngomuntu nomuntu waba busy nje yabo ukungisabisa and all those things, so angazi ngabanye phela ngeke wazi more especially abantu besilisa bona yabo bakhona babe nalowo mandla lawo, but ngeke kuba nzima kakhulu umuntu osifazane ukuthi usungayibeka impilo yakhe engcupheni kanjalo because now ungathina ubone so utrenda ngento ongayazi, obviously you want to know ukuthi uba loyo yabo, so I'm not sure about no point in them.
Okay, why this career of being a journalist? Why did you choose it?
The reason why I chose ukuba journalist is because I was a model back in the days before COVID. I was supposed to go overseas to represent South Africa, go Miss Tourism Globe Philippines.
Wow, that's big.
Very big. So okay, okay, that year ngangisanda ukusuma trip wami. Ngangiphase kodwa ngaphasanga kahle.
Yeah.
So ngangifuna ukuthi ama languages ami abe right, maths, everything. So ngizo apply the following year. Mangithi ngiyafika ku radio station engikwazi ukuyidalula manje ngizokwazi manje ngeadvertiser. Mangithi ngiyafika kuyona le nto this journalist ezofunda indaba umuntu eqhamuke newsroom ephethe amaphepha ephethe laptop. Hayibo ngathi mangiyena ubhuti ngathi hayi uthobeka khuma lo ke lo. Ebhizi ephethe laptop ngalana ephethe amaphepha yabona ukuthi umuntu ozongena manje on air. Athi ngo this is me. Wathi mengene esakaza indaba zakhe ngasho ngathi hayi man no. Then I went home ngagugulisha about all those things ukuthi hayibo what are the things you need to do, how do you qualify, luckily kakhulu kwi-journalism ama languages akho usiphase kanjani kwisiZulu ne-maths ne-English ngangishala vele ngo-7 bami ke from high school ngingakolungisi, so ke yeah. So ngaqualifya then bangithatha Rosebank then ngafunda ukuba i-journalist. Into engayithanda kakhulu ukuthi uthi ukufunda ukuba i-journalist ngalana futhi wenza ama-practicals ungene e-studio lapha ufunda indaba ama-camera ngathi hayi man ngiyifuna into le superstar lo. Not knowing ukuthi awuthi mawuqeda ukubhala mawuqeda ukufunda ube uthola umsebenzi lo wena uyibona ula ekhanda lakho. So ke have been up and down, but ke hopefully one day no thumela ivula indaba boom nangithobeka Khumalo. Yeah.
Thobeka Khumalo, who is also a model.
Yeah.
Tell us about your modeling career. Kuhamba kanjani?
I do the modeling school. I do train girls, only girls, because I want to give them into engayithola mina kanzima. Uqhamuke emakhaya, I was lutho about amaZ card, I was lutho about how to speak English, how to be like answer my questions, how to be fluent in English. Because phela English you akusiyo lo yalapha eBergville.
Yeah.
Mina bakhuluma English kodwa ukuthi okay manje you speaking English yabo, even with pronunciation.
Yeah.
So ke mina ngakuthola kanzima uma ukhuluma English igcwele iholo uvela uhleko ngisho ukuthi hawe ma but I want this thing. So ke I want to give them the opportunity ngayithola kanzima, and also more especially abantu abaqhamuka emakhaya ngiyabona abakhula koNanda koMlazi bona they used to these things ukuthi beqhamuka celebrity yabo. So mina wana like ukuthi ngibalethele bona into mina ngayithola le ngiletha eduzane, but I only train girls because I believe ukuthi amantombazane kuwona kunzima kubona ukuthi bathole izinto because mhlawumbe umuntu akathembisa umsebenzi kanti umuntu yena uboyela intombi. So they need i-training enkulu kakhulu, more especially to those young girls aqhamuka from rural areas and in poverty, and just to give them just because we're born in poverty we're not poverty.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Sis Thobeka. Okay, uyakhuluma indaba ukuthi you need training noma uyona model but you also need training.
Yeah.
So ungathini kumuntu mhlawumbe osekhaya othi nami nginephupho lokuthi ngelinye ilanga ngizibone kuma billboard, ngizibone kuma cover page wama magazine, I wanna be a model. Yini edingakalayo? Yini abadinga ukuthi bayazi ukuze bangene kulomkhakha?
Okokuqala you need to ukuthi wenze research about into oyifunayo. Ungaboni uthobeka ngobe kwi-modeling bese uthi nawe you wanna be a model.
Yeah.
Okwesibili i-modeling iyabiza. Modeling is very expensive, so you need to know ukuthi imali iyadingakala. Iyadingakala imali, kumele ube nama joining fee, kumele ube muhle na ufane ezinye ingane, kumele ube nama crocs, outfits yabo. So you need to do i-research yangempela, and also izinto kumele uzazi ukuthi i-modeling kumele kube into oyithandayo, ungabi kona ukuthi ngoba ubona uthobeka egqokisa ama designer bemluka mahala, all those things. you need to love it. Kumele uyithande, kumele kuyinto ephila kuwena uzokwazi ukuthi kuphileke. Uzokwazi ukuthi futhi ube nento ukuthi uyabekezela and you know what you want.
Thobeka Khumalo. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi khona ubukile osekhaya brother thizeni yabo uyazibuza ukuthi uThobeka usethathiwe yini. So do you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend? What's going on? Kwenzakalani?
Guys, I'm dating girls from now on. Thanda amantombazane nje South Africa yonke. Sengithanda amantombazane nje. I mean,
are you in a relationship njengamanje? We need to know.
I'm not married.
Yeah.
I'm shadile.
Okay. She's not married.
Yes,
she's
I'm not married.
Thobeka Khumalo siyabonga kakhulu ngokuthi ube nathi la kumzweleni media sifisela konke okuhle siyabonga futhi nanokuthi uyayihlupha ngezingane esuka emakhaya esifuna ukungena bona lo mkhakha siyazi ukuthi kunzima ukungena kwesinye isikhathi usuku ungazi lutho uzivumele emakhaya bathi siyabonga ukuthi ubeke kwamthwalo kuwena ukuthi basizakale labo bantwana babukele emakhaya siyabonga nizwile ngosisithobeka uyasifundisa ukuthi akukho okungenzeki konke kuyenzeka akunendaba ukuthi uphuma kuphi uqhamuka kuphi uqhamuka emakhaya kodwa nawe uma unamaphupho ufuna futhi ukuthi afezeke lokho kuyenzeka Somzweleni Media sithi please subscribe on our YouTube channel, follow us on our Facebook, like our pages sikhona on Instagram and we're also on TikTok. Your girl Thanditi, peace.